Hi guys, here is Belsee. Today I will introduce this 8-inch spatial Android head unit IPS Touch screen from Skoda Octavia 2013 to 2016 years. Okay, let me unbox the review. You can check head unit with good condition. Okay. This is special head unit. Okay, let me introduce harness set first. You can check. This is original USB. Okay, this is special harness. This compass box. You can check compass decoder box. Octavia. Okay. This is power cable. Special for Octavia. Okay. The head unit comes with two USB cable. Connect back head unit to USB cable. Okay. Radio antenna. This camera. Camera input. This is the remote controller, GPS antenna. This is AUX cable, AUX in left and right. This is video input. Okay. This original USB. This audio cable. Subwoofer control, and video out 1 and video out 2. Okay, this is audio cable, front and left, rear, left and right. Okay, this is external microphone. Okay. Driver agent. Okay, you can check this special head unit. This DVD fixed the DVD player. Please take out this two screw when you install it. Okay, back. You can check this radio antenna, Wi-Fi, this connector, fuse, power cable, GPS antenna. Okay, you can check this side. Okay, let me find Okay. Let me power with 12 voltage. Okay, head unit will be start on. Please take out this screen protector before using. Okay, it's turned on. Let me check. This is fast response. Octa core PX5. Let me check the setting. System. You can check model is PX5 octa-core, Android version is 8.0 oreo system. Okay, this is IPS Touch screen. Home button. This DVD slot. And mute this button. GPS card, SD card, microphone IR, power volume button. Okay, that's all. Thank you.